So make sure you watch the video till the end and do not miss any point. So hi guys, the race begins. Delhi University has officially launched the admission portal for the admission into various courses of undergraduate, postgraduate, MPhil and PhD. So in this video I will be covering the documents required, fees, eligibility criteria, as well as the some general guidelines that you have to follow before and after applying for a course, or as well as while you are filling the online form on portal. You can either increase the speed of this video so that you may not miss any point, or you can also check on the description, the links that I have uploaded in description to get onto the official website of Delhi University. First of all, the courses. For the admission in courses which are undergraduate, postgraduate diploma in cyber security and law, as well as MPhil PhD program. So the date for opening of the window for filling up of form as well as registration is 20th June to 4 July. So I would request every student or the subscriber or the person who is watching this video, please fill your form as soon as possible. Do not wait for the last date. The last date is 4 July and the date on which this started was 20th June. So do not wait for the end deadline. So guys, let's begin with the general guidelines issued by Delhi University. Some of them are as follows. Like there is no offline admission for any applicant. You have to register yourself on online portal. The next one is, if you fail to register yourself online, then your admission will not be counted. Applicants may have to visit the Delhi University College at the very end in case of any document submit or for the verification of documents. All the admission process which can be done online will be completed by student only through the login ID as well as password given to him. So make sure that you have a Google ID as well as you register through that only, and make sure that you do not share your ID and password with any of your friend or person. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria for undergraduate courses. The applicant must be a citizen of India. However, he can also be a foreigner. He can apply separately on Foreign Student Registry website. The applicant should have passed class 12th of any other board or university examination in India or any other foreign country recognized as equivalent to 10+2 system by the AIU, which is Association of Indian Universities. The applicant must have passed in every subject for calculation of the merit list as well as practicals too. Applicants under the unreserved SC, ST, OBC, EWS categories are eligible to seek admission based on both merit and entrance test to courses in on colleges and department. Let me pause. I have uploaded a video on DUJAT, which is an entrance based exam. The video for the same is uploaded in description, you may check on. And also I have uploaded a video which shows the top 10 universities of Delhi or top 10 universities of India offering BBA. So you can check on the description. Applicants from Sikh and Christian minorities may also seek admission under the minority quota in the minority colleges of the university. In case if you want any detailed video, you can directly comment, or you can ping me on my Instagram, which is on your screen. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because more such videos are coming, especially related to the Delhi University admissions. So the next is fees for online registration, which is 250 for merit based exam for the OBC and unreserved category. Registration fee for SC, ST, PWD, EWS is 100 rupees. Additional registration fee for ECA quota or sports quota is 100. One more thing, that there will be no ECA trials this year or music trials, since music students are asked to upload their videos and share the links, as well as the ECA students are asked to show the NSS certificates or attach the self attach the NSS certificate. The next is For entrance based, which is which is for the exams such as BBA, FIA, BMS, or B.Ed, or many more such exams. So for underreserved and unreserved and OBC, it is 750. For entrance based SC/ST, PWD, it is 300. Admission cancellation fees is 1000. For example, if you want to cancel your admission, you have to pay a fee of 1000. The online registration process is only considered to be completed when the aspirant has paid the fees on online portal as well. The applicants are advised to complete the registration process well in time and not wait for the last day. Registration fee will not be refunded in any circumstances, including if the applicant is found ineligible for the course or respective category at a later stage. So there are many other topics such as merit based admission, course wise merit list. If you want any particular video ascertaining course specific language subjects, if you want any particular video, you can ping me directly on Instagram or in the description or in the comment section. I will surely try my best to make the videos on the topics suggested by you. So let's get to the next criteria, which is documentation uploading. So the documents which are required are class 10 certificate, class 12 certificate, relevant reservation certificate in case you are SC/ST, OBC, EWS or PWD, self-attested copies of requisite certificate like NSS certificate for under the sports and ECA quota, link of uploaded clip for admission against music. You have to upload your music video on YouTube and then share the link with the on the form itself. Photo identity card like Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card. So guys, next video will be on the registration process, 7-step process, which is also uploaded on the brochure, admission brochure or online UG brochure by Delhi University. I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel so that I will upload the video and you will get a notification. And if you like this video, do share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe because subscribe is important to get the notification. And just do not wait for the last date. Apply as soon as possible, and if anything come, wait for just one day, not more than one day. And not only that, also I would suggest that apply for entrance based exam also, that the BMS which is offered by Delhi University has at least more than 3 colleges in top 10 list. You should also visit that video. The link is in the description. So bye guys, keep supporting and keep sharing and as well as keep watching. So thank you.